Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this EDC flashlight. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This EDC flat flashlight has dual light sources with 3 brightness levels. There is an innovative spotlight and a floodlight with independent switches, making it easy, convenient, and hassle-free to use it. Each source of light has a high, medium, or low brightness setting, with the highest at 700 lumens. The spotlight has a long distance ability to be able to illuminate areas like for camping or for mechanical maintenance or other work. And the floodlight gives a wide range illumination for indoor emergencies or outdoor purposes as well. It also has a built-in rechargeable battery with a long battery life of 5 to 15 hours depending on the brightness level that you use. The flashlight also has a good compact size to it at 3.66 inches by 2.09 inches by 1.1 inches, making it small and lightweight but also multi-purpose for all our different lighting needs. There is also a magnet at the bottom of it, plus a side clip that we can attach to various different metal surfaces or clip onto our backpack or others. If you are in the market for a high quality multi-purpose flashlight that is rechargeable and easy to use, this is definitely worth looking into.